Bula! Hey everybody! Guess what? Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, the #1 real estate agency in Fiji. And we are on Denarau Island in the Mariners Reach Precinct, very close to Port Denarau Marina. And we are on a 982 square meter block of residential land, one of the very few lots available on Denarau Island. And look with me. What's that? Any guesses? Eggplant. Yes, that's right. If you buy this residential lot, these eggplants are yours for free. So walk with me here. This is a freehold 982 square meter, very large, about a quarter-acre block right here. 24/7 gated community. You can probably even get one of these guys here. We have boats, jet skis, cars, fishing equipment, golf cart buggies, everything that you need to make your Fiji dreams a reality. We can do that for you here. Lots of great architectural styles here, lit up, beautiful landscaping everywhere here. This is about 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. Very convenient to the Denarau Golf and Racket Club here close by, so bring your golf clubs and your tennis rackets as well. And of course there is the Greater Nandi Business and Commercial Center very close by. And if you need to get to Suva, which is the capital, you can take a very short flight, about a half-hour flight, or it's a 3.5-hour drive from Nandi along Queens Highway. So this is where you want to be. Very few of these lots available. You can see everybody is all pretty much built out. So if you're interested in learning more about building a home in Fiji, especially in Denarau Island, go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051, and we can tell you all about this particular block of land and all of the properties that we do have available for sale here in Fiji. And we can hook you up with the builders, the architects, designers. If you want a swimming pool, we can help you get that designed as well. So tremendous amount of opportunity. And don't forget those eggplants over there waiting for you. 1, 2, 3, and maybe you want a boat like that. So it's a gorgeous day here. We hope you are smiling, you're happy, you're scratching your head thinking maybe now is the time to change our lifestyle and our way of living. And we've always wanted to build our own tropical dream home. Well, guess what? You can picture it right here. Press pause on your phone or laptop and start sketching out those dreams, and let's make them a reality. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Again, +679 999 2051. And we will see you here in paradise soon. Vinaka.